Apples, crunchy, sweet and everywhere. But what if I told you this everyday fruit might be one of the most powerful things you can eat for your health? Apples are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins that support your heart, brain, gut, and even your skin. Just one apple a day can lower your cholesterol, balance your blood sugar, help with weight management, and reduce your risk of cancer and stroke. And here's the kicker. They do all this with almost zero fat, no sodium and no cholesterol. But not everything is perfect. Apples also come with side effects that most people ignore. From allergy risks to hidden pesticides and possible drug interactions, there's more to apples than meets the eye. Stick around, because you need to know both the power and the possible risks behind this innocent-looking fruit. If you've ever eaten an apple, hit that like button right now. Drop a comment telling us your favorite type of apple, Granny Smith, Fuji, Honeycrisp. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the truth behind your everyday foods. The amazing benefits of apples. Let's break it down. Here are the scientifically backed benefits of eating apples regularly. Number 1, apples help your heart. Apples are rich in soluble fiber, which helps reduce blood cholesterol levels. The antioxidant quercetin, mostly found in the apple skin, helps lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and protect blood vessels. Multiple studies show that people who eat apples regularly have a 20–30% lower risk of heart disease. Number 2, they support weight loss naturally. Apples are low in calories, high in water, and rich in fiber, especially pectin, a type of soluble fiber that expands in your stomach and promotes satiety. One medium apple has just 95 calories and can help curb cravings and reduce overall calorie intake. Number 3, they balance your blood sugar. Despite their sweetness, apples have a low glycemic index. That means they release sugar slowly into the bloodstream. The fiber in apples helps reduce blood sugar spikes, making them a great fruit for people managing type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Number 4, apples boost gut health. Pectin is not just good for fullness, it's a prebiotic, meaning it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better immunity, digestion, mental clarity, and even skin health. Eating apples regularly can help create a diverse, balanced gut flora. Number 5, apples may lower cancer risk. Apples are packed with plant compounds like flavonoids and polyphenols, which have been shown to fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to cancer. Studies link apple consumption to a lower risk of lung, breast, colorectal, and prostate cancers. Number 6, brain-boosting benefits. Quercetin and other antioxidants in apples may help protect your brain from degenerative diseases. Animal studies show that apple compounds may help reduce beta-amyloid plaques, which are linked to Alzheimer's disease. Even the scent of apples has been shown to reduce anxiety in some small human trials. Number 7, lung and respiratory protection. Apples contain compounds that may help reduce the risk of asthma and improve lung function. One study found that people who eat apples regularly have better lung capacity and fewer respiratory issues, possibly due to the high antioxidant content. Number 8, great for skin and hair. The vitamin C in apples helps with collagen production, which supports firm, youthful skin and healthy hair growth. The hydration and fiber also help with toxin elimination, which can lead to clearer skin. Number 9, immune system booster. Apples support your immune system thanks to a mix of vitamin C, antioxidants, and gut-friendly fiber. A stronger gut equals a stronger immune response, making you less likely to catch colds or infections. Number 10, hydrating and good for detox. Apples are about 85% water, so they naturally help hydrate the body. They also support liver function and gentle detoxification, helping flush out waste and reduce bloating. Number 11, bone health benefits. Some research suggests that the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds in apples may help preserve bone density, especially in older adults. Pectin may also support calcium absorption, the surprising side effects of apples. Apples are generally safe for most people, but like any food, they're not completely risk-free. Let's break down the potential side effects and when you might want to be cautious. Number 1. Allergic reactions. Some people experience something called oral allergy syndrome, OAS, after eating raw apples. This is especially common among those allergic to birch pollen or ragweed. Symptoms include itching or tingling in the mouth, swelling of the lips or throat, watery eyes or sneezing. In most cases, cooking apples, like in pies or sauces, destroys the proteins causing the reaction, making them safe to eat. Number 2. Bloating and digestive discomfort. Apples are rich in fiber, which is great unless your digestive system is sensitive. Eating too many apples can lead to gas, bloating, cramping, diarrhea, especially if your fiber intake is usually low. The culprit is often fructose and sorbitol, two types of sugar alcohols naturally found in apples that can ferment in the gut. Number 3. Pesticide exposure. Here's a serious one. Apples consistently rank on the dirty dozen list of fruits with the highest pesticide residue. Non-organic apples are often sprayed with multiple chemicals. During growth and post-harvest, long-term exposure to these may be linked to hormonal disruption, neurological effects, increased cancer risk, according to some studies. Solution: buy organic when possible, or at least wash thoroughly with a baking soda rinse. Number 4. Tooth enamel damage. The natural malic acid and sugars in apples can slowly erode tooth enamel, especially if you snack on apples frequently and don't rinse or brush afterward. Symptoms include increased sensitivity to hot-cold, yellowing of teeth, cavities over time. Tip: rinse your mouth with water or chew sugar-free. Gum after eating an apple to neutralize acid. Number 5. Not great for low-carb or keto diets. While apples are healthy, they're not exactly low in sugar. One medium apple has about 19 grams of sugar and 25 grams of carbs, which could be too high for people following strict ketogenic or low-carb diets. For those managing diabetes or blood sugar spikes, smaller apples or paring apples with protein like nut butter can help reduce the impact. Number 6. Drug interaction risk. Apple juice in particular can interfere with the absorption of certain medications, including fexofenadine, an allergy medication, some antibiotics, blood pressure meds like atenolol. This happens because apples can inhibit certain transport proteins in the digestive tract. Always check with your doctor or pharmacist if you're on long-term meds, and drink a lot of apple juice. Number 7. Caloric creep in processed apple products. Apples themselves are low-calorie, but once they're processed into juice, dried fruit, apple chips, or desserts, their calorie and sugar content skyrocket. Apple juice often contains added sugar and lacks the fiber of whole fruit. One glass can pack over 30 grams of sugar. Similarly, dried apples can be a healthy snack, but many store-bought versions have sweeteners and preservatives that reduce their health benefits. Number 8. Risk of choking in children. Apples are a common choking hazard for toddlers and small children. Whole slices can easily block a child's airway, so always cut apples into thin slices or small chunks. Avoid giving raw apple chunks to children under 4. Consider steaming or softening apples for young kids. Number 9. Too much of a good thing. Yes, apples are healthy, but eating too many can throw off your balance. Excessive fiber can cause GI issues. Too much sugar, even natural, can affect your metabolism. Moderation matters. 1 to 2 apples a day. Fantastic. 6-7 a day? You might start seeing some issues. Number 10. Apple seeds are toxic in large amounts. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, a compound that releases cyanide when digested. Eating a few seeds by accident is not harmful, but consuming large amounts, like grinding and eating multiple apple cores, can be dangerous. Symptoms of cyanide poisoning include headache, nausea, confusion, in extreme cases seizures or cardiac arrest. Again, the occasional swallowed seed is harmless, but don't go eating handfuls. Balance is everything. Apples are a nutritional powerhouse with tons of benefits, but they're not flawless. Knowing both the good and the bad helps you make better decisions for your health. Eat them whole, keep the skin on, wash them well, and enjoy in moderation. Your body and your taste buds will thank you.